Ever wonder what sets millionaires apart? Today, we're uncovering 5 powerful habits of millionaires that you can start practicing today to pave your way to financial success. Greetings, finance freedom fighters. Today, we're exploring the habits that turn ordinary people into millionaires. Ready to transform your daily routine and build your wealth? Let's dive in. Habit number 1, consistent learning. Millionaires never stop learning. They consistently seek knowledge, whether it is through reading, taking courses, or attending seminars. Staying informed helps them make smarter decisions. For example, set aside 30 minutes a day to read books on personal finance, self-development, or your industry. This habit builds your knowledge and helps you stay ahead of the curve. Why not enroll in online courses or attend webinars on topics that interest you? Sites like Coursera and Udemy offer countless courses to help you grow both professionally and personally. Hey, if you're excited to start learning, smash that like button. Habit number 2, strategic networking. Millionaires understand the importance of building a strong network. They surround themselves with successful and like-minded individuals who can offer guidance, support, and opportunity. That's why you want to attend industry conferences, local meetup, or online networking event. Engage with people who share your interests and goals. Building connections can open doors to new opportunities. Also, join professional groups on LinkedIn or other social platforms. Regularly interact and share valuable insight to position yourself as a knowledgeable and helpful resource in your field. If you find these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more ways to boost your success and achieve financial freedom. Habit number 3, goal setting and planning. Millionaires are meticulous planners. They set clear, actionable goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. This habit keeps them focused and motivated. So, start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks and track your progress weekly. Also, create a vision board with images and quotes that represent your goals. Place it somewhere you see daily to keep you inspired and focus on what you want to achieve. Habit number 4, discipline in spending and investing. Millionaires practice financial discipline. They are mindful of their spending, live below their means, and prioritize investing. This habit helps their wealth grow steadily over time. So, create a monthly budget that distinguishes between need and want. Stick to it vigorously and review it regularly to ensure you're on track. And make investing a priority. Set up automatic transfer to your investment account and stay informed about different investment options. Seek advice only from those who have made it and walked the talk. Consult a multimillionaire for financial advice to develop a solid investment strategy. Habit number 5, physical and mental wellness. Millionaires understand that their health is their greatest asset. They prioritize physical fitness and mental wellness to stay sharp and productive. So, incorporate regular exercise into your routine. It could be as simple as a daily walk, yoga, or hitting the gym. Physical activities boost energies, reduce stress, and improves focus. You can also practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature can enhance mental clarity and emotional resilience. Excited for more life-changing habits? Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll dive into actionable steps for achieving work-life balance and boosting productivity. Now, for the exciting part, my money hero, this week, choose at least 2 of these millionaires' habits and start incorporating them into your daily routine, whether it is setting clear goals, networking, or prioritizing wellness. Take the first step towards a more successful and fulfilling life. And don't forget, if you find these tips valuable, press that like button and share your experience in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss out on more tips and tricks to improve your financial health. Here is a motivating message. Many successful individuals attribute their financial success to these habits. These small, consistent actions can lead to significant changes in your financial situation. Believe in your ability to adopt these habits and transform your life. Before we go, here's a joke to brighten your day. What kind of music do mummies listen to? Rap music. Remember, adopting millionaire habits can lead to more financial freedom and opportunities. Stick to these simple strategies and watch your life transform. Until next time, keep striving smart and stay motivated. See you in the next video.